The purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.
Innovations manufactures the most innovative and highest quality humidifiers ever created. AIR Innovations introduces the Ultrasonic Clean Mist Smart Humidifier, Model 701BA tabletop and floor standing humidifier. It has a 1.7-gallon tank infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, an aromatherapy tray to fill your home with calming fragrance, a permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced, dual tank handles for easy filling and carrying, a 15-inch extension nozzle, a 360-degree rotating mist nozzle, built-in humidistat, programmable on and off timer, and a remote control. The ultrasonic cool mist technology means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and it even runs up to 96 hours on one tank. That's almost 12 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. That's one of the longest-running humidifiers available for its size on the market today. Here's a look inside. What you are seeing is clean mist technology in action. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter, and the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, sending water to the ultrasonic atomizer to create a plume of cool, refreshing moisture. Because it's so affordable and efficient, you can put one in every room in your home. AIR Innovations, the leader in humidification technology.
The Dyson humidifier is hygienic. It kills bacteria before releasing any mist. Using ultraviolet cleanse technology, it exposes every drop of water to a UVC light. The water runs along the length of the bulb to ensure that 99.9% of bacteria in the water is killed. The piezo vibrates gently at first to mix the water in the chamber. After the bacteria is killed, it increases the vibrations to create a fine ultrasonic mist, which is then drawn up into the air multiplier loop, where it is projected quickly, quietly, and evenly throughout the room. The Dyson humidifier is 99.9% bacteria-free.
The purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.
days you don't feel like getting out of bed. Or that would be the case if your humidifier hadn't been running all night to ease your breathing. LEVOIT's 550 hybrid humidifier is the ultimate 2-in-1 device, able to switch between hot and cold mists at a touch. Feel healthy and vitalized in any temperature with its impressive 5.5-liter water tank. The 550 humidifier produces comforting mists for hours on end. If your humidifier has been running for a while, it may need to be refilled. When the water level's low, a red symbol will light up on the display and the auto shutoff feature will activate. The built-in handle makes refilling the tank simple and easy. Just make sure you unlock the water tank before lifting it, and never carry the whole humidifier by the water tank handle. The tank may drip a little, but that's normal. Once properly filled, the LCD display lets you choose the humidity level with one touch. 5 different mist levels help create the perfect atmosphere. Tapping the humidity button gives you auto mode, though you can also press and hold the button to set a specific relative humidity percentage. The humidity sensor on the cord reads the surrounding relative humidity. Add a few drops of essential oil to the aroma box to make your room smell fresh and inviting. When you're busy or ready to leave, set the timer for up to 12 hours. The warm mist feature works great for cold, dry days. Add heat to any room, even your yoga studio. When the room's all set, your body rested and your mind at peace, Lotus Pose will feel as relaxing as the mist around you. LEVOIT, wellness plus style, revitalized.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. VicTsing is the noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh. Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the VicTsing humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.